In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your account settings in QuickBooks with ease and confidence. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-time user, these steps will help you navigate QuickBooks interface with clarity and simplicity. All right, let's dive right in. First up, you'll want to head over to QuickBooks, your go-to tool for managing business finances. If you haven't bookmarked the page yet, you'll typically start by opening your internet browser and typing in the QuickBooks URL. It'll usually be the first link you see in the search results. Clicking on it should bring you to the home page where all the magic starts. Once you're on the home page, look for the settings icon. This is usually located at the top of the page, often represented by a gear icon. Clicking this will open up a menu with a variety of options for managing your account, from company settings to billing information. It's your control center for the finer details of your QuickBooks account. After that, you will want to click on Chart of Accounts from the options presented. The chart of accounts is essentially the backbone of your accounting system in QuickBooks. It's a comprehensive listing of every account in the general ledger, and it serves as the framework for organizing your financial data. In this section, you can review, add, and modify account types, making it easier for you to track your financial transactions in detail. Now, look for the drop-down box in the chart of accounts. Clicking on it will unveil a suite of more specific functionalities. This drop-down is a powerful tool, allowing you to tailor the chart to suit your exact needs, whether it's viewing, editing, or setting priorities within your chart. The drop-down offers you the flexibility needed to keep things tidy and sorted. Next, find the option labeled Make Inactive from the drop-down menu. QuickBooks uses this feature to let you deactivate accounts that are no longer in use. Don't worry, marking an account as inactive won't erase any data. Instead, it simply hides the account from view so it doesn't clutter up your workspace while keeping past records intact. It's a great way to streamline without losing important historical data. Finally, you'll need to confirm your choice. You'll see a prompt to make inactive once again. By clicking this, you reaffirm your decision to hide this account information from active charts. This changes the status, but remembers, you can always reactivate the account in the future if needed. And there you have it. A clear, intuitive guide to managing your chart of accounts in QuickBooks. With these steps, you should be able to optimize your financial management tool, making accounting as seamless as it possibly can be. Thanks for joining in, and remember, happy organizing.